जय जगन्नाथ. Welcome back to our channel Neesan Study Corner. Hope you all are doing good. I am Neesan. Let's learn about factors with me. Let's start today's video. As you know, factors and multiples are a new chapter for you that you have not know about them yet. मेरे लिए भी नया था जब मुझे इसके बारे में पता ही नहीं था, पर मम्मी ने ये चैप्टर अच्छा से समझा दिया तो मुझे बहुत इजी लगा. तो मैंने सोचा चलो आप लोगों को भी इजीली फैक्टर्स क्या है, कैसे निकालते हैं ये बता देता हूँ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to know about what are factors. Factors are the numbers that divides a given number completely. Or simply we can say that factors of a number can be determined by either using multiplication or division. Here is a number 2. When we divide 2 divided by 1, we get 2. If 2 divided by 2, we get 1. So we can say that 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. This is how we got factors by division method. Next one is by multiplication method. Do with number 2. So for getting 2, what are different possibilities of multiplication? मतलब कौन कौन सी नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से 2 मिलेगा. Let's find. 2 equal 1 into 2. 2 equal 2 into 1. Only by multiplication of 1 and 2 we got 2. So we can say that 1 and 2 are factors of 2. Let's understand with another example, that is 4. By division method, let's find the factors. 4 divided by 1, we get 4. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. 4 divided by 4, we get 1. Here 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. It is same in multiplication method. Let's find. To make 4, what are possible multiplicative facts? 1 into 4, we get 4. 2 into 2, we get 4. 4 into 1, we get 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now find factors of 6. For me, to find factor, multiplication method is very easy. So you will do the same with me. Now to find factors of 6, what are different possibilities of multiplication? 6 equal 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 and 6 into 1. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Always write in ascending order. Understand? With step by step, you can find factors easily like me. To make you understanding more, do another example. Write all the factors of 18. For this, different possibilities are there. 18 equal 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, 9 into 2 and 18 into 1. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Do you know 1 is the smallest factor of every number and the number itself is the greatest factor of every number. You can find the factors of any number in this way. If there is a question arises to find the sum of factors, so we have to add all the factors of a number. Here is the sum of factors of 21. 21 equal 1 into 21, 3 into 7, 7 into 3 and 21 into 1. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. So sum of factors of 21 are 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 21 equal 32. This is all about the furious factors. I thought this video is very amazing. So you can first find factors and then add all the numbers. We will learn about prime and composite numbers in the next video. I hope you may enjoy this video. Please do a like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Neesan Study Corner. If you have any queries, please follow me on Insta at NSC Best. Thanks for watching.